Doc, how many months after taking isotretinoin pwede mag-conceive? So, yung duration before conception after taking isotretinoin, usually yung standard is 1 month or 30 days. Meaning, magsa-stop kayo ng isotretinoin ninyo and hihintayin ninyo for 30 days, then it's generally safe to conceive after that. So, this is based on isotretinoin's half-life. So, majority guys know of people taking isotretinoin estimate around mga 7 to 10 days na eliminate na yan nila yung isotretinoin sa kanilang system. Pero guys, since ako medyo OA ako sa mga ganyan, gusto ko super safe talaga yung patients ko. And ako kasi, I always believe that iba-iba tayo ng metabolism. So may mga pasyente that metabolizes medications differently or slower compared to different individuals. And may mga individuals na rin na sobrang bilis mag-metabolize ng medication. Because of that consideration of individual variability in terms of metabolism of medication, I usually recommend patients to wait for 3 months before starting to conceive para super sure tayo na okay na talaga to conceive. So the reason for this waiting period is because of the teratogenic potential of your isotretinoin. So yung isotretinoin, sinasabi ko sa patients na it will not allow the fetus to survive. Okay? If nag-survive yung fetus, magde-develop yung fetus ng mga severe craniofacial, cardiac, nervous system, mga congenital defects. Okay? Pag present yung isotretinoin during pregnancy. So just to make sure, sinasabi ko sa patients, yung mga reproductive couples natin na sexually active, if naka-isotretinoin yung isa, kailangan naka-double contraception, and 1 month after taking isotretinoin para sure lang na hindi mabubuntis yung babae. So how about if yung lalaki naman po yung nagtitake ng isotretinoin? So studies actually show na ang paggamit ng isotretinoin in men doesn't seem to affect the sperm or doesn't confirm teratogenic risk doon sa offspring. But like I told you, ako medyo OA ako sa mga ganyan. Just to be safe, pina-advise ko pa rin, no, pag yung lalaki yung naka-isotretinoin, sinasabi ko pa rin just to make sure na bawal mabuntis yung partner niya na babae. Kasi nga, alam niyo naman, gusto nating maging OA sa safety ng mga patients natin. Oh, and by the way, there are some women who are actually concerned na baka mabaog daw sila after taking isotretinoin. Isotretinoin does not actually have that effect. Wala pong mga studies that correlates infertility with isotretinoin intake. No? Kailangan ng studies talaga to corroborate that or to prove that. So for me, you don't have to worry about becoming baog after taking your isotretinoin. As long as you're guided and tama yung dose and duration na binigay sa inyo and nasusunod yung mga advice ng board-certified dermatologist nyo, then you should be okay. Alright guys, so I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!